popularity to share your pictures as stories. Just last week, Instagram has introduced its new feature adding music to your stories in India. Let's see what else you can do in your Instagram stories. Be creative. Let's get started. Today's first hack is as follows. Pick up a GIF. Say this one. Zoom it in and save it to your device. Now just discard it. Go to your story section, take it from your device, take the highlighter and cover this with a bold color. Now take a eraser and write whatever you want to. Say hello everyone. Look how different it looks like or in your story. As simple as that. Click on the camera on the top left corner and then select a photo from your phone. I'm selecting this one and make it a special pic in your story. Look, how can we do that? You can also pick the color from your picture itself, or you can drag it down. Now just select the highlighter, select the white color and do the magic. Isn't it looking good? Yeah. Hack number 3. Now select a photo from your gallery. Say I'm selecting this one. Change it to typewriter mode and say good morning. So if you want to change the color, select it, select the color as you wish. Do the same, do a copy, select all, copy. Next again, paste it. Select a color, select all, anything you want to select, which one color. Now just place them. You can also add the location here. And share it on your stories. Moving to our next hack, For this, select a photo. Now, give a message with this pic. And see what else we can do. And we are done. If you want, you can add music to it also. And also change the lyric style, lyrics, colors. And that's all. Cool, right? I love the new music add-on feature, and this makes my story really special. For this, you just type beautiful. Now, select it all again, copy it, and paste it. Now just select whichever color you want to, say green, blue, yellow, orange, peach, pink, purple, red, green. I love this peachy color, and just drop it. Look how different it looks when you add this shadow to your text. And dun dun dun, you are done. Just click a black photo, and now just type hack. I'm just going to show you how to type in rainbow colors uh, or each letter in different colors. Let's see. Now, after typing the word, just select all. Now put one of your fingers on the color and the another one at the other side at the starting of your word. Now just slide your left finger, then slide your right finger. Whichever color you want, just change it, hold it, and change it again. Really good feature, right? The message looks really good with this. Your gallery, select the brush, pick the color from her dress, and now make twirls around her. Pick the eraser, increase the size, and now slowly now add a text here and place it over the pic. You can With the single trick, you can also add a glowing emoji on your pic, just like this. You can place it anywhere. Enjoy! That's all. Just select your photo first. Now you can beautify your pic by using sparkles, or you can use this one, glowing beauty. Oh, she's looking lovely. Bloom. You can add effects like this, glitter thing. And this pic was last year's pic, Durga Puja pic. So Durga Puja 2018. Change it if you want it to be, or keep it. Stars. You can draw stars. And need to go to your gallery, select a photo from there. So this one, will make it stand out from other stories. And here we go. Type one letter at a time. Next. And the last letter, Y. And we are done. You can also add some glow. And we are done. That's all for today's video. Hope you have learned some new tips and tricks from this video about Instagram. Comment below which features you were already using, and you have learned new features from this video, so that I can get motivated from your comments. See you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.